Have a nice day, everyone. This video will explain how to write the date in Excel in clear format. This today, 8 February 2026. My photo. When you see these dates, 3 to 2026, this is the year, it's clear. But about these 4 digits, which is the date and which is the month? In the English format, the month is the beginning, then the date. In American, the day is the first, then the month. When you read this, which of the day or the month, okay? But here, it's clear. This is the day, and this is the month. 3 letters, okay? How to make that in Excel. This is the English, and this is the American. But here, to be clear, I need the month and 3 letters. Day, month, then year, 4Y. In the sheet, go to the home, then select the cell or the column which you will write the date. So the selection is the first, the cell or the column. Then right click. This window will be view. Go to the format cell. Click on it. The other windows will begin to view. Look here. This is after you click the format cell. Go to custom, not the date. Select the custom. Click on it. Then go to here. Look here. You will see type here in capital letters, only capital letters, and write DD capital asterisk, MMM 3 letters asterisk, Y 4 Y here, and then don't forget to go the OK. When you write any date in the cell or the column, we'll see this. Here, type 2 days, 3 months here. Okay? I finished this video. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. And this video prepared by Engineer Abbas Mahmoud. Bye.